Hello everyone, myself Kishore Farade, Mechanical Engineering Department, Shivajirao Ajanta Polytechnic, Asangaon. In this video, I am going to discuss wall timing diagram for 4-stroke petrol engine and diesel engine. Learning outcomes. The learner will understand the basic terminology of IC engine like TDC and BDC. The learner will also able to explain wall timing diagrams for given engine with neat sketches. Introduction. What is wall timing diagram? The diagram which shows the position of the crank of 4-stroke engine at the beginning and at the end of suction, compression, expansion and exhaust of the engine are called as wall timing diagram. The extreme position of the piston at the bottom of the cylinder is called bottom dead center or BDC. In the case of horizontal engine, it is called as outer dead center, means ODC. The extreme position of the piston at the top of the cylinder is called top dead center. And in the case of horizontal engine, this is known as inner dead center, means IDC. So from this diagram, we will get clear idea about the TDC and BDC. So topmost position of the piston inside the cylinder is known as the TDC. Bottom position of the piston inside the cylinder is known as the BDC. Theoretical wall timing diagram for 4-stroke SI engine. So in theoretical wall timing diagram, opening and closing of the inlet valve or exhaust valve will be takes place exactly at the dead centers. So it is known as a theoretical wall timing diagram. So this is the representation of theoretical wall timing diagram of 4-stroke SI engine, in which the inlet valve will get open exactly when the piston is at TDC and inlet valve will get closed when the piston reaches at the BDC. So this is known as a suction stroke. After suction, whatever the charge which is entered into the cylinder will start to compress when the piston starts moving from BDC towards TDC. So whenever the piston exactly reaches at TDC, the compression stroke will get completed and the spark plug will initiate the spark, and due to which the compressed mixture will get ignited. The hot gases will produce, and these hot gases will forces the piston from TDC towards BDC. Means work is done by the hot gases on the piston. So it is known as the working stroke or power stroke, or it is known as the expansion stroke. So now whenever the piston exactly reaches at BDC, the exhaust valve will get open and exhaust gases will start to escape outside the cylinder. So whenever the piston exactly reaches at TDC, the exhaust valve will get closed and thus the exhaust stroke will get completed. So reflection spot. Pause the video, think and note down the answer. Why the inlet valve opened before piston reaches at TDC? So to find the answer, we will learn actual wall timing diagram for 4-stroke SI engine. So this is the representation of actual wall timing diagram for 4-stroke SI engine. In actual wall timing diagram, the opening and closing of the inlet valve and exhaust valve will not take place exactly at TDC and BDC. The inlet valve or exhaust valve will get open and closed at some angle before or after TDC and BDC. So it is known as the actual wall timing diagram. So in this figure, the inlet valve is open 15 degree before TDC and inlet valve will get closed 30 degree after BDC. So this green curve shows suction stroke. So dear students, the opening of inlet valve 15 degree before TDC, it is necessary to ensure that the valve will fully open when piston reaches exactly at TDC. and inlet wall is closed 30 degree after BDC. Because if inlet wall is allowed to close exactly at BDC, what happen? The cylinder would receive the less amount of air than its capacity, and then pressure at the end of suction will be below the atmospheric pressure. So to avoid this, the inlet wall is kept open after 30 degree after BDC. After suction stroke, the compression will get start. So during continuation of the compression stroke, before piston reaches at TDC, the spark plug will igniting or initiating the spark 35 degree before TDC. So during compression, before piston reaching at TDC, the spark plug is initiating the spark 35 degree before TDC. So this will produce the spark before 35 degree before TDC. So it will best result with regard to power economy, power, and to avoid the explosion, knocking, and the ignition of the charge will take place properly. So this ignition will starts 35 degree before piston reaches at TDC. After that, the hot gases which are producing during this will forces the piston from TDC towards BDC. But here, before 50 degree BDC, the exhaust valve is going to open and the exhaust gases starts to expel out from the cylinder. So here the exhaust valve is open 50 degree before piston reaches at BDC, and this exhaust stroke is a continuous after TDC also, because exhaust valve is a close 20 degree after TDC. So this is known as a exhaust stroke. Now we will learn theoretical valve timing diagram for 4-stroke CI engine, means diesel engine. So this is the representation of theoretical valve timing diagram for 4-stroke CI engine, in which instead of spark plug, here is a fuel injector. So here the inlet valve will open when the piston is at TDC, and the atmospheric air will get sucked inside the cylinder, and the inlet valve will get closed when the piston exactly reaches at BDC. Now when the piston again starts moving from BDC towards TDC, the compression of the air will takes place. So when the piston exactly reaches at TDC, the compression will get completed. And now the fuel injector will start to inject the fuel into the compressed air, and due to which the ignition will takes place, hot gases will be produced. These hot gases will forces the piston from TDC towards BDC. Now when the piston exactly reaches at BDC, the exhaust valve will get open and exhaust gases will start to expel out from the cylinder. So whenever the piston exactly reaches at TDC, the exhaust valve will get closed. So this is the theoretical valve timing diagram for 4-stroke diesel engine. So dear students, now we will discuss about actual valve timing diagram for 4-stroke CI engine. As earlier I had told you, during actual valve timing diagram, the opening and closing of the inlet valve or exhaust valve will not take place exactly at the dead center. It will be open or closed before or after dead centers at some angles. So this is the representation of actual valve timing diagram for diesel engine, in which the inlet valve will get open 25 degree before TDC, and inlet valve will get closed 25 degree after BDC. It is known as a suction stroke. After suction stroke, the compression stroke will get continuous. But during compression, before piston reaches at TDC, the fuel injection will be start. Fuel injector will inject the fuel 5 degree before TDC, and this fuel injection will get continuous till the 25 degree after TDC. So after fuel injection, the compressed air will get ignited, hot gases will be produced, and these hot gases will forces the piston from TDC towards BDC. But during this expansion stroke or power stroke, before piston reaches at BDC, the exhaust valve starts to open. So here exhaust valve will be open 50 degree before piston reaches at BDC, and exhaust gases starts to expelled out from the cylinder. So this exhaust process is continuous after 15 degree after TDC. So this is the representation of actual valve timing diagram for 4-stroke CI engine. So dear students, in this way we had studied the valve timing diagram for 4-stroke SI and CI engine. So in MSBT, the question on the valve timing diagram is draw actual valve timing diagram for SI engine. Draw and explain with neat sketch the theoretical valve timing diagram for CI engine. Similarly, draw and explain with neat sketch the actual valve timing diagram for diesel engine. So I hope after watching this video you are able to draw and explain the valve timing diagrams for given engine with this sketch. So dear students, happy learning, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.